Now, suppose two balance sheets are given in the beginning and at the end. I am to say as on 31st March 2010, 31st March 2011. Cash 6,000, 9,000, trademarks 5,000, 9,000, stock 6,000, 1,000, furniture 5,000, 4,000, capital 10,000, 15,000, general reserve 6,000, 8,000, 10% loan 6,000, nil. Total 22,000 and 23,000. Additional information. Drawings for the year 6,000. There are drawings. One thing is clear. These balance sheets belong to a firm, not a company. Because in joint stock company, drawings is not possible. Anyhow, first of all, you should prepare the capital accounts. Capital account means by balance BD 10,000, to balance CD 15,000, two drawings 6,000. So total on debit side 21,000, and the same total should be on credit side 21,000. So one figure is missing for 11,000. So two possibilities are there in capital account. Either it should be net profit or it should be fresh capital. Naturally, it will be net profit because I am not able to find any figure of net profit or loss. It must be net profit of rupees 11,000. So one thing is clear. This firm has made a profit of rupees 11,000 during this year. Number 2, for my working notes, I am going to prepare one table of plus and minus. What for? For the purpose of current assets and liabilities. If there is any change, it will be added to the net profit so that we can reach cash from operation. So on asset side, there is only one item, that is current asset, stock. Last year it was 6,000, now it is 1,000. It means the stock has dropped, means it has been reduced by rupees 5,000. One thing more, I would like to remind you that current assets and cash from operation have opposite relationship. It means if there is decrease in the current asset, this amount will be added to net profit. If there is increase in the current asset, that will be deducted from net profit to reach the cash from operation. So in this case, in this balance sheet, the stock has gone from 6 to 1. So it has come down by rupees 5,000. So because it has come down, it will be added. So on plus side, please write down decrease in stock 5,000. Is there any current liability? No. So only one item will be treated or will be taken to the account at the time of calculation of cash from operation. So now I am going to calculate cash from operation. Net profit 11,000 plus, now look at all the items carefully. Drawings, nothing to do. Cash, nothing to do. Trademarks 5,000 to 9,000. It means trademarks have been bought. So company has made the payment. It means this was the investing activity. So nothing to do with cash from operation. Stock, it will be added but in the later stage. Furniture 5,000 to 4,000. It means we have lost the furniture of rupees 1,000. Two possibilities are there. Either this is a depreciation or we have sold it. So the stronger possibility is that it was depreciated by rupees 1,000. So depreciation on furniture will be added to net profit at the time of calculation of cash from operation. Capital, nothing to do with cash from operation. General reserve 6,000 to 8,000. It means an amount of rupees 2,000 has been transferred to general reserve. So it will be added to net profit rupees 2,000. 10% loan. Previously it was 6,000. Now it's nil. What it means? It has been repaid. But one thing more. This is long-term loan and this is 10% loan. It means the firm has taken loan and the firm is paying 10% interest every year. So I'm going to assume that this loan was repaid at the end of the year. So the firm has utilized this money for the whole year. I mean to say 6,000. So firm must have paid rupees 600 interest on long-term loan. Of course, it is cash transaction. But one thing should be clear to you, that cash from operation is the net profit calculated on the basis of cash item and operating items. This firm has paid 600 rupees as interest. If it has paid 600 interest, it must be appearing on the debit side of profit and loss account. And you have got the net profit of rupees 11,000. It means this 11,000 profit is also influenced by rupees 600, and this is non-operating item. So what we will do? We'll add back. I have already told you, if you find any non-cash item or non-operating item on debit side of profit and loss account, that will be added back to net profit so that we can reach cash from operation. So it will be added back, rupees 600. So in this way, the net profit 11,000, general reserve 2,000, depreciation 1,000, interest on loan 600 rupees, total 14,600. But still we have to add or deduct the changes of current assets and liability. Before that, this net profit is called funds from operation, or otherwise I can say net profit before working capital changes, whatever you like or whatever your school teacher suggests you. So, but I am going to call it funds from operation. So funds from operation 14,600 plus stock, because there was decrease in the stock of rupees 5,000. If there is decrease in the current asset, that is added back to net profit, and that will be 5,000, total 19,600. So cash from operation 19,600. Now my cash from operation is ready, so I can prepare cash flow statement. Opening cash 6,000, closing cash 9,000. Cash from operation on inflow side 19,600. Now we'll check item by item in the balance sheet. Trademarks, previously it was 5,000, now it is 9,000. It means trademark have been purchased for rupees 4,000. So outflow side, trademarks purchased 4,000 rupees. Stock, it has gone to cash from operation. Furniture, there was depreciation, it has been treated in cash from operation. There were drawings of rupees 6,000. This will be written on outflow side. Drawings, rupees 6,000. Then general reserve, nothing to do with cash flow statement. Loan 6,000, now nil. It means the company has repaid or paid back rupees 6,000 of long-term loan. So this was the payment. So on outflow side, we'll write down repayment of long-term 10% loan, rupees 6,000. One thing more, the company has paid 600 as interest. This is cash, and this is finance activity. It is written individually in the cash flow statement. So on outflow side, interest on long-term loan, rupees 600. So the total on both sides 25,600 rupees. It means my question is all right.